it's noisy in here, but we're just unloading my trailer load from last night into the bin. Should be just about empty, I think. We're gonna get this dirt cleaned up. Dad's gonna bring the skid steer in and we'll shovel it into the bucket. He's gonna go dump that. And by the way guys, that right there is why we like skid steers. We like loaders a lot too on our tractors, but for around the potato houses, skid steers rule. Well guys, we're off. Having a bite to eat. We're gonna be up there over lunch and we're on our way. See you there. Well guys, made it out here. Snowy still. They're just loading a truck for Quebec. So I gotta wait for them to load that and then they'll load me up and then I'll be heading home, and that'll be two varieties of the seed hauled home. First we hauled Gems or Russet, Burbanks, and now we're hauling Monticellos, which are a chip variety. So, yeah, stay tuned. Well, another load for the books. We'll coaster ahead a little bit here and get the door shut. We use those holes and the air comes out. There's air flowing through this wall and the air goes into the tube, so there's always constant fresh air going through the potatoes in the storage. Well guys, we got my trailer unloaded, my grandfather's trailer unloaded, so that's it for that variety for seed. So it's 2 varieties done, 20 to 6, and we're calling her quits for today. I got Bible study into the church tonight, so gotta be on time for that. If you like the video, drop a like. If you like my content, subscribe. Ask lots of questions and in the comments, and let me know about your guys' farms or what you'd like to see me video. Yeah, thanks for watching.